Here's how to save your finished design as a PDF file in Illustrator. Before you save your file, just make sure you know which artboard you want to save. From the first artboard, usually it's called artboard 1, artboard 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so once you're aware which artboard that you want to save, or you want to save all of them, this is how you do it. Okay, so before you save your file as a PDF file, make sure this document is saved first. Alright, so once it's been saved, just wait for it to save. Okay, so once it's been saved, there will be no more asterisks at the side of the document. That means it's saved. And now you can finally save your document as a PDF file. If you go up to File and Save As, and you save as a PDF file, you will basically overwrite this document. Extension will change into a .pdf, okay? But if you don't want to do that, you can cancel it. You can go up to File, Save as Copy, and it will not touch this original Illustrator file, but instead it will save as a copy into your folder. Yeah, it depends where you want to save it, but it will save into that folder. So remember to go to Format, Adobe PDF, and then you might want to remove that copy word. Okay, once you're happy with that, you can use artboards, of course. You can choose to save all of them, or if you have a specific page, you can choose which artboard that you want to save. Okay, in this instance, I'll save it as all and click Save. Yep, we'll keep it as a default Illustrator file, so it's nice and high resolution. And as you can see, it did not overwrite this Illustrator file, but instead it will save your PDF here. And when you save as copy, your PDF will automatically be saved in your folder. Okay, so that's very, very simple. Basically, this PDF is quite high in resolution, which is great. But if you want to save a smaller size PDF, okay, because currently this has 5 pages, but it's like 3.1 meg. That's quite a big file. So basically, if you want to have a smaller resolution PDF, all you have to do is go up to File. Again, we'll save as copy, and then we'll change it to test low res PDF. Okay, and then we'll change the format to Adobe PDF all and click Save. So instead of Illustrator default, we'll go to the smallest file size, and we'll just check the compression. Okay, we'll just leave it as that, and we can just save PDF. Okay, that's fine. So here is the file that we've just saved, and you can see the difference between the high-res PDF with the low-res PDF of only 407 kilobytes. That's pretty cool. So there are a few options. You can increase or decrease the PDF file size depending on what you want to achieve, really. And that is exactly how you do it in Illustrator.